Hi folks, Joffrey Fitzgerald from the Fiddle Jam Institute. I'm here promoting my second book, the Rock and Blues Fiddle Jam A-Toodz again today. I'm doing samples from the book, and I've been lately going right down to the groove etudes section of each key. If you don't have the book already, it's only 20 bucks in the store. Go to the Fiddle Jam Institute and get it if you want, or try and by ear to play along now. Every lesson, every key is arranged in 3 levels: beginner, intermediate, and more difficult, level 1, 2, 3, and a groove etude section after that, which kind of cobbles them together into short little mini pieces, etudes. Groove etudes, I'm calling them. You play them until they groove. So, I'm going to get my drone track, which is available on the site as well. I'm going so you can have a sense of pitch. Maybe the computer will be loud enough for the camera here to hear it. Let's see here to get my drone. There it is. I'm going right to the groove etudes in F major. Now F major is not a most popular key on the fiddle, but it has some cool stuff in it. It has open A's and drones and stuff we can add. So I tried to bring out the cool stuff to develop your licks and tricks vocabulary for your own improvisations. So number 1, I'll do it slowly. Not bad. Start again. Ready, go. Thinking about bowings. I think about what to tell you next. Sorry for the goof. You can add your own bowings. I might put a slur on that. Make it come out. Develop your own thing. This is not a bowing book. This is a finger vocabulary thing. So again. Kind of cool. Number 2. Slides. With the double drone there. Double drones are 4th finger A and open A. There's only 3 of them, double E's. But in this key, A is the one that would be the coolest. Again, number 2. Repeat. Good. Number 3. Practice this one, make sure you start slow enough because the second half is double the speed. Slide. In all these examples, I try to mix the majors and minors like we do in Cajun and Zydeco and blues and jazz, and prepare you for these things as we go. My drone track just quit. It's only a couple minutes long. There we go. Get it going again. And number 4. Nice and slow at first. It looks like a lot of black notes. I know. Don't freak out. Not that bad, is it? This repeated riff. That's low 4 on the A and a D. Sliding to A. That's it. A little different. So this is the flatted 3rd and the major 3rd and the flatted 7th in this stuff. Cool. Number 5 is similar things. Gets the flat of the 5th there, or the sharp 4, however you want to see it. It was C flat, so often I wrote it as B natural because it's easier on our eyes in this key. This is clearly using what I call the mixo-bluesian scale, the mixed up scale where it's major and minor mixed together in pentatonics and modes and stuff. You'll be the master of the chromatic scale by the time I'm done with you. So this one's nice for swinging it too. Cool. Number 6 gets into something a little bit weirder. It goes to second position. If you're not aware of positions, everything in the book pretty much is first position. But this is a lick and a trick I throw in sometimes in my own playing. You shift your hand up 1 note so that your first finger is where your second normally was. In this case, a lowered 2, but it'd be the first finger. And all your fingers are going to be there for the most part. I'm still throwing in the open strings from first position. Kind of a cool little area. So F with first finger, G with second, A flat with the third finger, open A, C with first finger, D with second finger, and reach for the F with fourth finger. The bunch of black you see after this is the same notes. There it is. It's 8 of them. And the last part, go up to, what is it, fourth position, the harmonic. It's exactly halfway between the nut and the bridge. There's a light note you can touch. There's wiggle room for it to get it in or out of tune. My drone track stopped, but I'm not going to worry about it. We're almost done. So, this whole one. So the other is just a flourish of fingers. I use that in my solo sometimes. It's a little cheap shot, but cheap shots are cool once in a while, maybe no more than 10% of the time. So number 7. Another little kind of cool finger pattern. Open A, low 4, low 2, open. Low 4, low 2, open. Comes out of it. So let's try that again. So, this is a 3-note pattern, but don't do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. It won't come out right at the end. I suggest you study polyrhythms by doing, it's a 3-note pattern, but it's a 4-note beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So accent every beat. Cool stuff. It's meant to increase your vocabulary for the jamming arts in fiddle jam world. Rock and blues is where it's centered, but it goes into Cajun and Zydeco and fiddling and bluegrass and old time. It draws upon all these things as well. So hope that's helpful to you. And there is the key of, what was it again? F. All right. Not a fiddle friendly key in general, but there's some cool stuff in it.